So in this video, I'll be showing how you can turn on screen recording on your iPhone. If you're an iPhone user and you have been struggling on how you can turn on your screen recording, so believe me, you are in the right place. And in this video, I'll give you every tips and every steps you need to follow to achieve this on your iPhone. So let's go, guys. So first thing is you go to your settings on iPhone. Once you go to your settings, you can click on this search button, type control center. So you see the control center here, that's the second on the list. So click on control center. So on this control center, you see the list of these are, you see, included tools. These are things that show on your home page. When you swipe down your iPhone like this, these are options of things you see here. So they are the one that is under included controls. So you now see more controls. Now you come here, but you see my on this phone, I have actually activate my screen recording. You can see that's the last option here, screen recording. So let's take for instance that I remove this now. So let's say I click on remove, it has been removed. Then I'll check here, you can see it's here. These are a list of everything you can add to your home page on iPhone. So for the purpose of this video, we are working on screen recording. So you can see the screen recording here. Let me just click it. You click on this plus sign button. When you come back here now, you see the screen recording is here. So once it's there, so you are good to go. All you need to do is minimize your iPhone, swipe down, you can see it's here already. So now this is another thing I need to educate you on. As I'm recording this voice now, as you are hearing my voice, I'm actually recording my voice as I'm recording the screen recording as well. So you can turn on this feature on iPhone. You don't need to do voiceover after you make the video. As you are making the screen recording, you can be adding your voice to it directly. That's the same thing I'm doing here right now. So this is how you turn it on. So you see this icon, this is the screen recording icon. Just click on it and hold on. So you see this microphone. You can see my own is actually on because it's active. That's what I'm using currently. So your phone will definitely be off if you have not used it before. So all you have to do is click on it. So automatically it turns on. So then when you are making screen recording, you can record your voice alongside with it. So that's all about that. I believe sorry guys, I believe you found this video helpful. If so, kindly subscribe to our channel and click on the notification button for more videos like this. You can as well share this video to family and friends who you think might need this. Thank you guys, love you, bye bye.